Asymmetry. Here are some sentences to discuss or agreeing or disagreeing about. 1. That's a good idea. And you can team up for difficult learning classes. I think we should be. I have the same opinion as you. 2. I think you should not cram the chat at the same time. I think we should split the time so we can check. I can feel the same way. 3. I think we should sleep at least 7 hours every night. I don't think so. We have to sleep for 8 hours. You and I are the same. It should be 8 hours. 4. We should use flashcards to remember them directly. That's not good. You should remember it. That's become a bad habit. We shouldn't do. 5. I will record lectures in class to listen again. I won't record it, but I will take it and say it's in my camera. I am not. I will memorize right after the lecture. 6. I will ask for advice to help me. I think that would be a good idea to help us get the best answer, me as well as you. 7. We can go to the coffee shop to exchange exercise. No, I need a quiet place like a library so I can focus on my conversation. I have the same opinion as you. I need quiet place. 8. I think it would be easier to exchange documents on the internet. I think we should talk directly. We should sit down together so it is easy to talk. 9. We should make a to-do list for each day. That is a good idea. I think so too. 10. Napping in the middle of the class help me have a good sleep. I find that so bad. It will give you bad habits. 11. We should exercise every day. That's great. It keeps you in good health. I think we can do 1-2 times a week. 12. Joining a club or sport is a good thing. I don't like to participate in crowded activities. Who like taking part in school activities? 30. Every day we should talk to our family. I don't think so, because we meet every day we can talk. My family can hardly talk with each other because there is some conflict. I think let's go out with friends during the school day. Let's do ice. We can go on weekend. I think with you. I like going out on weekend. 50. I think we should offer simple thinking to make the right choice. I think so too. To avoid peer pressure. Me too. 60. Always keep a positive attitude of yourself to always success. I think that's a good thing we should follow. I have the same opinion as you.